today's video is a week in my life video. I wanted to do a week in my life of my first week of college. Today is actually Tuesday. I wanted to do a separate vlog that was just for my first day, and so today's actually Tuesday. My name is Michelle Reed. If you are new, I go to the King's College in New York City, and this is my last semester of college, which is crazy. I kind of went over my semester, my classes, and my first day of class vlog, so you should definitely watch that one. But right now it is actually about 12:30. I already had class this morning, but I was just kind of busy in the morning, so I didn't vlog, but that class went really well. It is a persuasive writing and speaking class, and since I'm graduating a year early, I didn't really have space for a lot of open electives, but that's my one open elective that I got, and I think it's going to be really good for me because it's going to teach a lot of useful skills that I don't currently have. So I also have class tonight. I have 2 more classes, a scientific reasoning class, which is like a required science class, and then I also have a faith and finance class tonight. And so those are my classes, but I have a little bit of a break right now, and so I wanted to go ahead and eat some lunch and just kind of chill out. I was supposed to have lunch with my boyfriend. I actually like packed my lunch. I showed you guys that, but he ended up having a meeting, so I just decided to come back here and make my own lunch. It's nice having breaks in between classes because being at school all day is not fun, especially when your school's tiny. So I'm currently waiting to leave to go back to class, but I'm actually watching Molly's videos right now. If you guys know Molly, she created a new channel and I love her videos. Her and her boyfriend Fab are so cute, and so I'm just watching this before I go to class. And it got really cold, which is why I am wearing my parka. I just got back from a very long day of class. My roommate is sleeping, which is why I'm trying to be quiet, but I am so exhausted. My classes were really good today, but just like very hard. It's like 9:30. I'm about to shower and go to sleep because I am just so tired from today, but I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I've never had this many classes in one day, and so I'm just like totally drained. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Of Gals on the Go.
Morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. I don't have class till a little bit later in the afternoon, so I'm just having a productive morning this morning, getting a ton of stuff done. Last night I kind of vlogged really briefly talking about why I was a little bit stressed, and I will talk about that in a second. But before, I'm really hungry and I want to eat, but I want to brush my teeth first, and so I want to talk about a company that I have recently been using, and that is because I need to brush my teeth, and so I want to talk about this before I eat. This is called Kopari, and it is a charcoal coconut toothpaste. Let me know down below if you're one of those people that has to brush your teeth before breakfast or after breakfast, or do you do both? I am personally a before breakfast kind of girl. So this toothpaste is awesome because it is a fresh toothpaste that does not include any toxins. This toothpaste actually has charcoal in it, which helps whiten your teeth. I don't know if you guys have ever used like a charcoal face mask, but charcoal is really good for you, and I feel like a lot of people don't know it's actually really good for your teeth. I get a lot of questions about my teeth personally because y'all know I drink a whole lot of coffee, but I still like to keep my teeth white, and so I've actually been using charcoal toothpaste to kind of help with that recently. Charcoal is actually absorbent too, so it absorbs all the toxins that are on your teeth. Normal toothpaste includes things like fluoride, SLS, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and different drying alcohols, which actually really dry out your mouth. And I don't know about you guys, but it's January in New York City and it is so dry and cold here, and I do not need my mouth getting even more dry by my toothpaste. And so I love that this toothpaste actually doesn't have any of those things, so it's not going to dry out your mouth, and it naturally restores your enamel of your teeth without any of the toxins. It also uses antimicrobial coconut oil, which is really good. I know a lot of people are on the coconut oil grind right now, so I think that this would definitely be something to check out. It also strengthens your teeth too. It doesn't just whiten too, it actually strengthens your teeth, which is really good for me personally because I have pretty sensitive teeth. So if you guys want to check out Kopari, you can actually get 15% off your first order or your first subscription with the code MichelleReed15, and the link down below. You can click it, it'll be right at the top of the description box. Let's go brush these chops, guys. Also, thank you to Kopari for sponsoring today's video. Yesterday my classes, I am taking definitely a more full course load than I'm used to, and so I had a persuasive writing and speaking class, which I really liked. That class I'm so excited for. I'm definitely going to learn a lot. It's going to help me like keep up with the news too, which is really good. I had a scientific reasoning class, and then I had a finance class, and all these classes I'm actually like excited for. I definitely think they're going to be good classes. However, they're just on things that I really don't have a lot of knowledge on, especially finance. I know stuff about like personal finance and budgeting and saving and that kind of thing, but when it comes to like the stock market, I don't know like anything. That class is definitely just gonna have a huge learning curve for me, but it's gonna be good for me because my boyfriend Aiden is a finance major and he is very interested in finance stuff, and I can never keep up when we're talking, so I can finally participate in the conversations. But so today I have a negotiations class, which I am excited for, and then I also am volunteering tonight. And so I have a pretty full schedule, so I'm just having a nice chill morning, getting some work done. Just finished getting ready for class. I just curled my hair. I'm wearing my Princess Polly tortoiseshell earrings. My dress is from American Eagle. I actually got this for Christmas from my soon-to-be sister-in-law. I think it's really cute and comfortable, and I'm just wearing it with some black sheer tights and then some high knee-high boots that are from Nine West. Thursday morning and I'm ready to get some coffee. I just woke up, so I look like a mess. Morning, guys. It is Thursday morning. I am in such a good mood today. I woke up and just did some homework this morning, but my friend Isabel is actually coming over and we're gonna catch up because I haven't seen her for a long time. I don't know why my face looks puffy. So excited to see her, and then I just have my one class in the afternoon, and then I'm gonna work out tonight. And yeah, I just woke up like really happy today, which is a good feeling. And so I hope you guys are having a great day if you're watching this. If you're not, just know it can always turn around. So I just got ready for class. I am wearing this dress, which is from Lulu's. This is like definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think that it's really cute with the stripes, and it's just like a cute little sweater dress. So I thought it'd be nice since it's freezing outside. So I just got back from class, and I want to say the reason that I don't vlog at school, I watch a lot of other people's week in my life videos, and I feel like they go to bigger schools, and so like they will literally be vlogging in class, which I think is like really funny and cool. I wish I could do that, but my school is very particular about like not using technology in class. It's really small. When I say really small, my school's like 600 kids, so it's like a fourth of what my high school was, and so it's just kind of weird vlogging there, and so I just want to clarify that. So that's why. But right now I just got back. I'm about to go to the gym because I know if I sit around here and like start watching TV, I'm just gonna want to stay here, but I want to get a workout in. So I'm gonna go run, do my Blogilates ab challenge that I've been doing, going strong. My boyfriend is also in an interview right now. Hopefully I get to see him tonight, and we can hopefully get to see him tonight and talk about it. So also gonna make a healthy dinner. I'm literally working out now so I can come back and eat because I'm so hungry. To go work out right now. I'm actually really excited. I really like going for a run, just like clears my head. So let's do it. It is Friday today, and I have not vlogged today, and I'm literally taking off my shoes from the day because I just got home. It is actually about 4:30 right now. I just got back from class. I had a really good day of class, and it's nice to be done at 4:30 on Fridays and not have to stay late. Usually I would have like really fun plans on a Friday night. I really do like to like go out or just like have fun, go on a date, that kind of thing. But this weekend I am actually going to Vermont with my boyfriend and his family, and so we leave tomorrow. And so there are just like a lot of work things I need to get finished, and then I'd like to finish all my homework because I won't have reception where we're staying in Vermont. I'm actually having kind of a boring Friday night of doing homework with my boyfriend Aiden and then just like chilling out. But I am gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make some cauliflower gnocchi and just have like a really cozy dinner, and so I'm excited. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm cooking that tonight because I'm doing a new recipe that I found, so hopefully it is good. So this looks like super not appetizing, but it is so good. I just mixed the bolognese with the cauliflower gnocchi, which is like down at the bottom, but I'm about to eat this, watch some Gossip Girl. I will have this link down below. It's super easy and just like a very healthy but nourishing meal.